Welcome to Zoomers RV of Wabash, Indiana, as we continue our 2021 Zoomers Virtual RV Show. Behind me is a used 2015 Montana 3910 FB. This camper is a little over 40 feet long. You'll notice that we have an exterior light up top here, some storage underneath in the front. This is a rear living fifth wheel with opposing slides in the rear. You'll also notice when we get inside, it has washer dryer already installed. Nice big pass-through storage. This massive opening. We have this spare tire and TV hookup. So if you want to have a tailgate TV or just a great time outdoors, you can do that. That would of course be underneath the awning. We have an LED light strip there. We have some steps. Nice little grab bar. And as you can see, here's one of the two opposing slides in this Montana. And if we come all the way back here, there is rooftop access. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. So here we are inside this 2015 Montana. This 2015 Montana is in great shape. It is very big, and I think you'll really enjoy taking a look at it. So here we have two chairs and a freestanding table, some nice windows, some overhead cabinetry. We have theater seating. Theater seating, of course, reclines. We have cup holders and storage in the center here. This is directly across from the TV. So here we have a TV, and we have a fireplace that has this really good, nice brick look. Really good, homely feel while you're on the road. Right above my head, we have a ceiling fan. And here on this slide, we have even more big, beautiful windows. We have an end table and outlet here. And then we have an end table and outlet here. Both people on each side will be very happy. This does have a bed that pulls out, so you can sleep two people here, and each person has their own outlet. And of course, overhead cabinetry, which I may have already mentioned, but it's worth mentioning that there's a lot of cabinetry and storage here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this kitchen island. We have outlets here. We have this nice two-basin sink with cutting boards. We have storage all over the place in here. And then here we have our high point microwave, overhead cabinetry, outlet, and this nice surface countertop area. And normally when we have the countertop covered, it has this glass. This one has a continuation, which gives it a very nice look. But you still have the functionality of a full 3-burner cooktop. And as you can see, it's very clean, very well maintained. Some storage over here. We have this 2-door refrigerator, as you can see here. And this is actually a very good sized freezer. We have some drawers. So definitely take care of you. We look in here. We have a nice big pantry. The pantry has its own light and some good sized shelving. So this camper is actually a bath and a half, and the half bath is out here. So in here, we have our foot flush toilet, some more cabinetry up here. We have some mirrored medicine cabinet over here with some nice little lights up here. We have our plumb sink, outlet, window, storage. And as you can see, I'm moving quite comfortably in this half bath. A lot of half baths are more crunched than this, but this gives you a good amount of space. Over here, you'll see we have a control panel and a place to hang your coats or just to have more storage. Now normally, when you have FB at the end of a camper model, it is front bedroom, but this is actually front bath. So we're going to go look at the master bedroom, and then we're going to go look at the large front private restroom. So here we are in the private master bedroom. We have our bed, some light above the bed, and then opposing windows. Directly across the bed, we have our TV already installed. Some nice and direct accent lighting, which is always great. Gives a good ambiance. Here we have some more cabinetry. There's an additional outlet here. And then we have storage underneath. So if you walk straight through the bedroom, you come in here to the full bathroom. What's great about this is it's truly a private bathroom. So if you have guests, they can't get here unless they go through the bedroom, which sometimes can be a deterrent. So you have your private master bathroom here. You have a his and her sink. You have outlets on each side. So each partner gets an outlet. You have a mirrored medicine cabinet on either side. Nice little window divider here. You'll see that we have storage underneath. So plenty of storage on both sides. And a set of 4 drawers squared down the middle. We have this nice closet here. So lift it up, you slide it. And we have some closet space. You'll see that there are actually 3 shelves. So 1 across the middle. And then 1 on each side. This is just very, very big. So whatever you need to store, you certainly store here. There's, of course, its own light. Now, as promised, this does have a washer dryer already installed. And we have the Whirlpool brand up top and bottom. So everything you need on the road. So if you're taking a longer trip, this camper is already equipped to handle the laundry element. We have this nice big shower. And this is a really big shower seat. Sometimes shower seats are kind of small, but this gives you a good amount of space. We have our shower, skylight, and Dometic foot flush toilet. So here we are in the front bathroom of our used 2015 Montana. If you like this camper, please give us a call. We're happy to answer any questions you may have. Feel free to go online, look at this camper and more at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.